Удачный вариант избрал сейчас Кулаков. И вот именно с этого углового забивают казанцы. Это Эмиль Бергстрём. Отправляет мяч красивым ударом головы.
Let's go. Tamamlanmış.
What?
Building, maybe a tall building with towers.
It's a fish. I don't know, my friend.
Tamamlanmış. First word.
How old are you?
What do you think it is? How old are you? It almost sounds like, is it? How old are you?
No? Something like a bridge over the river. Good imagine, huh?
Yeah, really good. No switches.
Halikara. Some sauce, maybe? Yeah.
We only think about food, huh? Gayretlek.
You know what this is, for sure.
I have no idea.
Darухanә. Like a sweet. Anteka. What?
Cheating, you know?
Yeah, but you can tell us this earlier than we can. Was like
Ayda indi. Ayda. Like go, ayda. Yeah, there was no cheating, sorry. Chichi eclair.
Eclair is on French, is something to eat.
It is?
Don't know? Yeah.
No, I don't know French. I think I've heard this. Chichi eclair. It's like...
In Berchtesgaden.
No, I've heard this. It's like a flower, right? I think so. Yeah, like a... Yeah. I think it's some flower.
Google Translator.